Well, parents across North Texas are discussing a recent Netflix series. 13 Reasons Why tells the fictional tale of a teen suicide. It's based on a book written 10 years ago, and the show was executive produced by North Texas native Selena Gomez. The reason it's getting so much publicity, the topic. Before killing herself, the lead character records a series of audio tapes designed to reveal the 13 reasons why she took her own life. Dr. Cash is an expert in psychiatric mental health, and she joins us now to discuss questions parents might have. Dr. Cash, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
So let's talk about this show. It's gotten so much talk, so much buzz, but a lot of people are concerned that the show romanticizes teen suicide. You've watched the series. How do you think it deals with that issue?
Well, to suggest that suicide is somehow glamorized would actually suggest that these teens are being creative in some way, form, or fashion with their suicide attempts or carrying out their suicides. So the question should be, is there a culture that's promoting teens and increased risk for teens doing this? And that's what we should be looking at. What is the culture? What is our teens doing? And what are they exposed to?
So do you think it's appropriate for young teens to watch this show?
Of course. It's actually opened up a lot of conversations in my own clinic. What I see day to day, parents are coming in and they're saying, I watched this with my teen. I watched this with my 8-year-old. I've screened some parents, they screen the actual series before they actually watch it with their kids. They're opening up conversations that they never had before. And what I saw in 13 Reasons Why is that, kids are spending a lot of times with their peers. And a lot of times parents, we don't know what's going on during their day-to-day actions or day-to-day, when they're at school, when they're after school, when they come home, and we're asking them certain questions. But now the series is asking us to ask certain questions.
So what are those certain questions and certain conversations we should be having with our kids?
Well, one question that I would definitely tell parents, ask them, how can I be more present for you? Is there something that happened to you during today that made you feel uncomfortable? Is there something that's going on at school that you want to talk about? How about we go out for a walk? Are you feeling sadness? Are you feeling hopelessness, helplessness, feelings of inadequacy? Have you seen anything else around your friends that makes you feel uncomfortable? Let's open up this topic for discussion.
And what resources are available to parents and teens who might be dealing with some of the same issues that were brought up in the show?
Right. That the National Alliance for Mental Illness is around the Dallas County area. So whether you're in Tarrant County, Collin County, Dade County, it doesn't even matter. Reach your local NAMI. They will have the resources for you. And then also, you can also go to psychiatric mental health professionals such as myself. I'm the owner of CEO of Privy Oasis LLC of Grapevine South Lake, and so you can reach out to us as well at 817-488-7771.
All right, thank you for your insight, Dr. Cash. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.